Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be a fairly brief video about how to quickly create an assignment in SchoolNet, which is the state-provided assessment platform that we typically use for bookmarks here at RCS, but you can also use it to access your students' knowledge via pre-test and post-test if you are so inclined. So in this video we are going to look at how you would create a express test. So in order to do that, you would go up to Assessments, Admin, and then Create. And then it gives you these options. Create an express test, which is what we're going to do in this video. Create a test manually, which we'll do in the next video. And then this is a way to add passages, create a rubric, etc. We will not have a video about this, but if you have questions, feel free to stop by and ask me at any time. So, very important note, if you are a language arts teacher, do not use the express test. Just go ahead and skip this video and go to the next one on creating a test manually, because express tests don't work out super well for language arts teachers, primarily because you wind up with pretty much as many passages as you have questions, which isn't super useful. And the manual test is not really that much slower of a process. But for everybody else, in this video we're going to create an express test. So you would click Start Now. You would give it a name. And you would choose your subject. We'll go social studies. You choose your grade level. Don't mess with that. You will not have the option of district benchmark or school assessment. You should only have shared classroom assessment and My Classroom, and you would only need My Classroom since we don't have any teachers that teach the same subject. If that is not true, then you can use this one and then you can share the assessment between the two of you. Don't ever change that. I don't ever change that. I don't ever change that. You have to pick this. Notice the star. If you don't pick one, it doesn't work very well. Or at all, actually. There's not been a case where I have needed that or this. And I basically leave all of these alone. And then you just click Select Standards. And then you can break it down into whichever standards that you want to break it down into. Then you click on Add to Test Map. And then you tell it how many you want of each question type. It can be any number equal to or less than that. And then you click Build Express Test and it builds it for you. And it may take a couple of seconds. The longer the test is, the longer this takes. And then you can look at the questions that it has chosen for you, and you can either replace it. If you replace it, it takes you to a place that has those same standards and you would just pick another question. You can delete it entirely and you can view it as if you were a student. And that's it. That's all there is to creating an express test.